I still need to add Diago's names to here for it to say Diago, Benjamin, and Luciano's playroom.
Ay, chica também. Oh, he's so cute.
Oh, I made it? Okay.
Thank you. I hear.
Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. Right now I am on my way to go get some food. We have had a really nice, relaxing, chill morning, and Ricardo made us breakfast. Thank you for breakfast. Ooh, and bacon. And it's just been really nice. We were so tired from yesterday that we really just kind of wanted to take it slow. Usually I feel like our weekends are packed with like going out with the kids, doing fun things, and I feel like yesterday really tired us out because we were out all day. So it was really nice just to kind of chill for today. And the kids were playing. They were playing with their little trains. Right now they're going through a phase where they love train tracks, and it's actually been going on for a while. So I feel like I want to invest more in toys that I know they can be really creative with, like putting the tracks together. It's been so cute. I love watching like their imagination and like playing with like the train tracks and their cars. Like, it is so beautiful to see, and I love seeing that, and I really wanted to capture some moments of the kids doing that. But right now I am on my way to go get some food. The two youngest are sleeping. Louie and Thiago are sleeping. Ricardo is at home chilling while the kids are napping, and Benji is watching one of his favorite shows, which we let him watch so he could be really quiet while the younger ones are sleeping. My camera stopped recording right when I was about to tell you guys that I was on my way to the tiendita because my memory was full. I went to pick up some groceries, especially because Ricardo's family was coming over, and then I went next door and I had the yummiest mangonada and elote. In just a few days, Thiago is turning 4 months. I cannot believe how fast time is going by. It's too loud? We got a vacuum! If you were a fly on the wall, this is what it would look like. And this is the chaos that I've always dreamed of, that I always prayed for. The silly giggles and laughter and running around and the little feet pitter-pattering on the floor, and just it just warms up my heart. And seeing this clip gave me the biggest smile because I love this so much. I love my kids running around and playing, and Ricardo and I, like, we're just doing a regular thing, just cleaning up the house here and there while the kids are playing, and my little baby swinging on the swing set, and it's it warms up my heart. I'm just cleaning up before his family gets here and just mopping the floors while Ricardo plays with the kids downstairs. Is that Grandpa?
Grandpa.
Push you. Ready? Hold on.
Wait. He's barking again.
Ginger's barking again?
Look.
What?
It's barking again.
There's a robot? Where? There's a robot right there. It's all clean, so you can go down the slide now.
Look down blue slide.
Yeah, go down the blue slide.
Go down blue slide. The blue blanket.
The blue blanket? He's stuck? You're stuck? Louie's turn. You gotta move. Whoa, careful.